The William & Mary Vet Program revolves around this broad idea that a unique lived experience of military service, when combined with a world-class education and then augmented by extraordinary connection, is really a wonderful recipe for an impactful future of service. Whether that service continues to be at the federal level in uniform or after these veterans hang the uniform up, that is, I think, really the story that we have to tell.
I think the William & Mary Vet Program has a beautiful structure to it. We're united under our special assistant, but each part is its own home with its own special responsibilities. It brings together the Center for Military Transition, our Office for Student Veteran Engagements, of course my Whole of Government Center, but there are so many other pieces. We include the Reeves Center for International Studies, all the way to the Virginia Institute of Marine Science. It's really, truly whole of university.
The Office of Student Veteran Engagement really focuses on the undergraduate experience and then the specific opportunities that those students need, while the Center for Military Transition can offer advice at the graduate level, particularly within the large concentration of student veterans we have in the Mason School of Business.
The Whole of Government Center of Excellence was established to serve everyone, from local to international. And what we do is we offer training, educational, and research opportunities, especially at the mid-career military and public policy levels.
One of the interesting things that we have found as we started to get out and execute these programs specifically designed for our veteran students is that there's a large and significant and ready audience even in our online programs as well.
William & Mary is making an impact around the country that nobody knows about, but I am the poster child to tell you about it. I got my undergrad here and ended up going to law school. I had done an internship with the Army where I really liked what I saw. That's where I headed. I joined the Army JAG Corps. I had retired from the Army, so I caught wind of a bunch of veteran programs here at the school. One that really piqued my interest was a master's from the ed school that would permit those of us who went through the program to get a degree that qualified us to become counselors for military and veteran communities. And I thought I would try this program just for kicks. I was working full-time and it was online. The topic was especially interesting to me. I have a lot of buddies in the service who are not in good shape after the op-tempo we've been through for the last 20 years. And I wanted to do something to give back. I think the online program is exactly what we need, and for us, it makes it possible for us to hit people all over the country. We have therapists being produced, not just in Williamsburg, but all over the country every year. It's just incredible.
I joined the Air Force at the age of 18, served from 2008 to 2016. And then I did a year of the reserve. Well, I was looking for a school that would be military friendly. One of the first things that I found on their website was Charlie Foster's Student Veteran Engagement Office. As soon as I was accepted to William & Mary, I got an email from Charlie. He reached out and just said, hey, I'm here and to support you and let me know if you need anything. And that was huge, that personal connection. Someone, not just the school at large saying, welcome to William & Mary, it was like a person saying, I've got you. The value of that can't be overstated.
I did my undergraduate at the College of William & Mary. I was a football player under Coach Jimmy Laycock. I was in the ROTC and I studied government and history. After William & Mary, I commissioned as a second lieutenant and deployed into Europe. And I am an MBA candidate for the class of 2024. Honestly, William & Mary is home. William & Mary has been my dream school since I was a kid. And the first opportunity I saw to come back, I took it and ran with it. The forestry program was an extremely insightful opportunity, not only for transitioning out of the military, but transitioning into business school. We talked a lot about wellness and mental health and changing the way you think and using your military strengths and using it in your civilian life. We'd go do yoga, we'd kayak in the Lake Matoaka, or we'd go to networking events. That really resonated with me.
We have the opportunity to connect student veterans in a meaningful way with executive partners, with alumni, with long-standing corporate relationships we have, as well as then to make sure that they're aware of different veteran benefits at the federal level, at the state level, with what the Commonwealth offers. But more importantly, we are able to rate all those different nodes of a key network to really be at the beck and call of that student veteran in the center. And by doing that, we think we can really empower them to define what their next chapter of service is going to be.